Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa not mushy. Start with a clean slate. Rinsing your quinoa is the first and most important step to avoid a mushy outcome. The natural coating, called saponin, can make your quinoa bitter and sticky. Simply place your quinoa in a fine mesh sieve and rinse it under cold running water for about 30 seconds. This quick action washes away the saponin, ensuring each grain cooks up perfectly separate and fluffy. The right liquid ratio is key for fluffy quinoa. Many people use too much water, which leads to a mushy texture. For every 1 cup of quinoa, you'll want to use exactly 2 cups of water or broth. This precise 1:2 ratio allows the quinoa to absorb just enough liquid to become tender without becoming waterlogged. Accurate measurement is crucial here. Once you have your quinoa and liquid in the pot, bring it to a boil over medium-high heat. As soon as it boils, reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Cover the pot tightly with a lid and let it simmer gently for exactly 15 minutes. Resist the urge to peak. Lifting the lid releases steam, which is essential for the quinoa to cook evenly and become light and fluffy. The final step is often overlooked but makes a huge difference. Once the 15 minutes of simmering are up, remove the pot from the heat but keep the lid on. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the quinoa to steam further and absorb any last bits of moisture. Finally, gently fluff the quinoa with a fork to separate the grains, and you'll have perfectly light, fluffy, and non-mushy quinoa ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.